Ngobusuku bomhla ka-7 kuNtulikazi ngonyaka odlule ngesikhathi owayengumongameli kuleli umnumzana Jacob Zuma eyinikele esikhungweni isihlumelelisa ngeyimilo. Lokhu-ke ngemuva kokushaya indiva umyalelo wenkantolo eyayithi akayophendula kwikhomishana kaZondo ebiphenya ngey'nsolo zokuqhwagwa amandla ombuso. Okuthiwa kwaholela ekutheni abantu bavuka umbhekejazane bayitapela ukudla ey'tolo kwalinyazwa nempahla. Bashona abantu abangaphezulu kwa-350. Namhlanje abaseka uZuma bebebhekisha ngaphansi kweso lamaphoyisa.
Umnumzana uPresident uZuma waboshwa eboshela ukuthi akalalelanga kumbe waphikisa ukuyalela kwenkantolo. Okuwukuboshwa ke kumbe okuyicala elingadingi ukuthi aze afakwe ezikhindini. Kodwa ke sikubonile inkantolo yomthethosisekelo ikwenza. Uma ngabe sibheka emuva unyaka usuphelile kuze kube namhlanje ungabala noma hlobo luni lezigilamkhubo ke wazibona asikho nasinye esasike saboshwa inkantolo yomthethosisekelo.
This day you would remember is a very important day where the Constitutional Court abused the Constitution.
Labalandeli bakamnumzana uZuma bavulela umengameli wakuleli umnumzana Cyril Ramaphosa ngodaba leplazi phalaphala ngenyanga edlule ngemuva kwey'nsolo evuswe yilowo wayengukhomishana wezamajele umnumzana Arthur Fraser. Lezi inhlangano zidinga ukuthi leli cala livulwe ngokusemthethweni. Ey'ndabeni za-SABC nginguvusi Khumalo eThekwini.
Kusenjalo ke ngolusuku kwisithuba sonyaka owayesakuba ngumongameli uJacob Zuma waphelekwa ukusuka kukhaya lakhe elisenkandla ukuya kwiziko lezoluleko elise-Escort kwaZulu Natal ukuya uqala isigwebo sakhe kokunyevulela inkundla. Ingqina emva kwengqina elathi gqiqhaphu phambi koJustice Raymond Zondo kwikomishoni ye-State Capture ladyobha lokaZuma nokwaba sisizathu sokuba makeze ngaphambili azokuziphendulela. Kodwa ke wala kwaphela ukuza kule komishoni. Oku kwakhokhelela ekubeni lokaZuma abanjwe ngeli xesha kunyaka ophelileyo. Abahlalutyi bezomthetho bathi isigqibo senkundla yomgaqo siseko sabonakalisa mhlophe kwakuba kufanelekile ubana kubanjwe umthetho kwelo Mzantsi Afrika.
President Zuma, as a former head of state at the time, was having his own legal troubles with the State Capture Commission of Inquiry. But as a former president, I think he did have a responsibility to at least accord our constitutional democracy with the respect that it deserved. When I think he decided to act, to the contrary to those values, I think as a head of state, it was setting a wrong precedent to the country.
Kungokunje uZuma ungaphandle ngenqawule yezempilo egqibezela isigwebo sakhe ekhaya. lokaZuma uqhubela phambili nokufumana inkxaso engagungqiyo kwaba bathi udyotshwa ngatyanga nyama. Ndingabongile Dumako kwiindaba ze-SABC eGauteng.